Hello everyone, I am Usman. In this tutorial, we will discuss formats. Formats refer to the appearance or presentation of your essay. In simple words, formats can be referred to as the layout of your assignment. I am a certified academic writer and I will help you in becoming a good academic writer. Why do we need to learn about formats? Without format, there will be no consistency in your document. Formats make your document easy to understand. The reader will easily understand what you have written if your document is well formatted. The most important thing is grades. In this tutorial series, we will discuss many formats such as APA, MLA, Harvard, IEEE, and a lot more. In the next example, I will explain why do we need to learn about formats. In this document, you can see I have simply copy-pasted some content from internet. If you look at this content, it is not easy to understand. Why? Because there is no SH format used. This document is very poorly formatted, therefore it is very difficult for me to understand or locate the headings and the subheadings. Now I have formatted this document. You can see it is very much clear to me now and I can easily understand and locate the headings and the subheadings. This document is now consistent and easy to understandable. If you send this document to your teacher, you will get some better grades than if you send this document to your teacher. Why? Because this document is not easy to understand. Meanwhile, this document is easy to understand. In the next few videos, we will discuss different types of formats. I will also help you in acquiring all those skills that are necessary to become a good academic writer. If you need any help regarding assignments or tutorial series, you can simply message on this WhatsApp number, or you can send an email with the subject Ask Academic Writer. If you pay full attention to this tutorial series, you will undoubtedly become a good academic writer.